Welcome to Jared's Bike Checks, where picking cotton is a way of life. Let's pick that cotton. All right, so I got to get me a little bit extra gas here in Laurel Hill to make sure that I can make it down this county road. I'm not sure, but what I'm running with is about 75 miles worth of gas, 1 quart and half a gallon. So let's get back on that bike and kick this ass. But first, let's hit that pin. You gotta get your mind right. This is my own secret recipe right here. Stuff I make myself. Got some bikers.